Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make three paper airplanes, okay?
I'll give you another one.
I'm just going to put it in a good angle.
I'll check if it... No.
Nobody's getting my video.
I'm going to get a different one for you. Just wait
So
here,
first of all, you start...
Wait here. You're just... I'm going to come back. Don't make fun.
When you folded it, you turn it open. Then you bend both of these in, yeah? When you did that, yeah?
Shit. You're nuts.
I'm not really good at this, but...
Mom.
So when you did that, yeah? You put this on two.
Here, Darvin, this one is long. Oh, shit.
Nobody getting my YouTube video. I'm making a video. It's gonna go viral.
I'm going to watch your video.
Well, I just...
I'm going to subscribe it if you subscribe my new video.
Yeah, but... I first have... Your video has to be over 25 likes, then I'll like it. I'm follow you and subscribe.
Stop lying. I think this
When you did that, you just turn around
Darvin,
and you fold it over.
you can sit over here. Shit.
Then you
Well, I want to sit over here instead. Here, sit in this chair. Huh?
Thanks, I'll like your video.
And here.
You're right, it is hot in here. Done. So you have your first paper airplane then. I'll go get another paper. I'll be right back.
Okay, so yep, that noise comes every time.
Good. So for
Sorry,
second
sorry.
paper
You can go
airplane,
back.
yeah, you
Yes,
do
it
this.
is right.
This plane is called the bump plane.
Hey, anyone wants ice cream?
No. After my video, I went.
No thanks. Okay, I'm gonna watch your video. What's your name?
It's not even done.
I'm just gonna make a new video.
You just carry on making videos, but
Can you add me in?
what are they on YouTube?
This is all I could find.
This was in Kurdistan. These are my cousins. Yeah, well, those are not my YouTube videos. That is Instagram or something.
It's not Instagram. Stop being rude, you idiot. Okay, I don't know what to make. Wait, I can make a piano video.
Well, that's second. I'll go get the third paper.
That's coffin dance.
Get out of the video.
I'm gonna try half. What works in do first? I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me try. It's hard for you. I'm sorry.
So this was the last plane. I'm gonna put the first one over there, then the second one over there, then the
It's
third
turned
one,
off.
like that.
It's on.
And guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the like button. See you in the next video.